Arabs do?
What do you mean, what did the Arabs
What
do?
did they do? We already had everything. What did they do?
Did you have Islam before they came?
Akhi, Islam from wait.
Did you have Islam?
See the problem with that? Islam is not from the Arabs, it's from Allah. It's not from them.
Okay.
So Akhi, don't tell me Arabs from Islam.
Prophet was Arab.
Allah willed, Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I agree 100% with this brother right here, the Somali brother. Wallahi al-Azim, may Allah honor him. And this ignorant Arab guy, he's really ignorant. And check this out. You are a Muslim. Somali, Arabi, Pakistani, Indian, Bangladesh, Puerto Rican, Mexican, doesn't matter. When you become a Muslim or you was born a Muslim, khalas, you're a Muslim. It doesn't matter what nationality you is. You understand me? We still have this ignorance in our lives, man. These type of Arab that are ignorant, okay, is what creates the fitna in Islam. What, you think Arabs are the only Muslims? You think Arabs are the only one that know Islam? This is rubbish. I have to speak the haqq. Look at the Arab leaders, ya ikhwan, huh? Look at the Arab leaders. Look how they sort out the ummah. Yeah, you talk about Arab, huh? And do not misunderstand me, everybody. I'm not with Somalia, I'm not with the Arab. I'm with Islam. You understand? There's a lot of good Arab out there. Rasulullah alayhi salam was Arabi. Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, and so on. They were Arab and they became the greatest of the greatest, the Sahaba, okay? And so do we have great Somali brothers. We do have great Somali righteous people. You understand? Do not get it twisted and create fitna in the comments, rubbish people. But I am shocked. We have these debates now. Arab versus Somali. What is this? This still going on? I thought that was dead, man. You know, true people that follow Quran and Sunnah and follow Islam, Wallahi al-Azim, we would not see what this ignorant Arab person sees. Okay? Or the ignorant Somali sees. We don't see racism. We should not do that. But subhanallah, reality, okay, there's still racism exists within the Muslims. Ya Allah, guide us, wallahi. Allah teaches us. Arab is not better than nobody. Somali is not better than nobody. Pakistan and so on, etc. The line goes on. The only one who's better than the other, who has more taqwa, more conscious of Allah, more fear of Allah Azza wa Jal. These type of things, this is why we are not united. These silly things, man. You have Sunni versus Shia, Shia versus Sunni, Sufi, and Ismaili, Ahmadi, all this stuff. And now we have this rubbish. Allahul Musta'an, wallahi. This is the ummah that Rasulullah cried for. Ya Allah help us, wallahi al-azim.